Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make your TikTok accounts not private. So let's get started. Well, as you're getting the app, here the first thing we're going to do, we're going to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And after that, we're going to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. This will pop up. Now we're going to tap on the last option, settings and privacy. And after that, we're going to choose the second option, privacy. And as you see here, we have private account. So with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Here, to make your account not private, here mine is toggled off. So mine is already public. Now, if yours is toggled on and you want to make your account public, then you can simply toggle it off. This will pop up and it says, if you switch to public account, anyone will be able to follow you and view your public posts. Only you can do it with your videos and anyone can stitch with your videos. Now I'm going to tap on switch. Here, we're going to scroll all the way down to adjust some options. We're going to tap on comments. So here, if you want to make your account public, then allow everyone to comment on your videos and stories. So here you can choose everyone. We're going to go back. Again, for direct messages, here you can choose everyone if you want to. Your following list and liked videos. So here you can make your own adjustment. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.